Okay, guys, we're going to be doing a skull crusher now. Okay, so you're going to want to get a bench. You can use an easy bar curl or you can use a straight bar. It doesn't matter. Okay, grab a weight you can do properly. Make sure you can perform the weight controlled. So you're going to grab it. Okay, you want to get the inside grip. You're going to go down slightly past your head. You want to flex the bicep up. Flex the tri. Down 3 seconds. 1, 2, 3. Flex the bicep up. Flex tries. 1, 2, 3. Flex the bicep at the bottom. That's going to fully stretch the tricep. Up. Okay. You don't want to do this. You don't want to go in front. You want to keep this slightly over your head. 1, 2, 3. Up. Okay. That's a skull crusher.